everyone, I've got a quick video today. We're making custom glitter hair gel and we have a sponsor. So thank you Pro teeth whitening strips, and I will talk about them a little bit more later. I tried to make this project as gentle and eco-friendly as possible because I know I'm going to be washing it out of my hair, and I also wanted to be able to get it on my scalp and skin. So I chose Eco-Style Krystal Styling Gel because it's perfectly clear and also alcohol-free, which is important for the glitter. And I also grabbed some biodegradable glitter from Hemway. I got 4 different packs: fine holographic silver, chunky holographic gold, extra chunky iridescent mother of pearl, and super chunky turquoise holographic glitter. First, I did some experimenting with the measurements and I found that a 1-to-1 ratio was the best to stuff as much glitter in as I could without completely ruining the effectiveness of the hair gel. I made these gold and silver ones with a little bit of mother of pearl as well yesterday while experimenting, and they turned out really good. So if I'm using 1 tablespoon of hair gel, I would add 1 tablespoon of glitter, or to break it down further, that's like 3 or 3.5 teaspoons maximum of glitter for different colors. The really chunky glitters though might need more gel. And when I broke it all down price-wise, it worked out to cost about $2.50 Canadian per tablespoon of glitter hair gel. So one of the small jars. And that's using top quality ingredients. So if you use a lot of glitter hair gel and you want really good quality, it's actually much cheaper to make it yourself. I, however, have no idea what I'm going to do with all this. I've been giving it to everybody. These glass jars are quite large, so I started with 2 tablespoons of gel. That gives me 6 to 7 teaspoons of glitter to play with, and I want to do a champagne gold color. I was a little indecisive with the amounts of each color, but it ended up being nearly equal parts gold, silver, and mother of pearl. But I added some extra gold at the end. I love this one. It's not super chunky, so it's not as gritty feeling. It looks like an antique gold color, and I think it would look amazing highlighting some rope braids or a French braid. For the next color, I wanted it to be like mermaid scales. So once again, I filled the jar with 2 tablespoons of gel, and I did 2 teaspoons of silver glitter, 2 teaspoons of mother of pearl, and a little more than 2 teaspoons of the super chunky turquoise. This one was harder to mix up, but it is so beautiful. It looks very icy and silver in the jar, but once you spread it, it's more sheer and the turquoise really comes out. This one looks like jewelry. I love it. Now, before we test it out on my hair, I'm going to take 1 minute to talk about our sponsor today. Pro teeth whitening strips are 100% cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. They also are peroxide and alcohol-free with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on Amazon with over 1,600 ratings. They work by breaking down the stains on the surface of your teeth without affecting the enamel. They use natural active whitening ingredients, including bearberry and coconut oil, to remove stains from your teeth without causing sensitivity or harming your oral health. This product is laboratory tested and certified safe for use. So here I'm trying them out for the first time. You use them 30 minutes each day for 14 days. And they stuck to my teeth really well, but I could not figure out why they were green. It looked hilarious. But after the 30 minutes when I removed them, I realized the strips aren't green. It's the whitening gel that's green. So you can see it while removing it because it's very sticky. Right now, I'm only a few treatments into the 14 days, but here are my results so far. Thank you again, Pro, and I will put their links in the description so you can check them out. Alrighty, I got a few tips on applying this hair gel. I kept my hair simple with a slicked back high ponytail so that we could really see the product, and I tried it out in 2 different ways. First, I took the mermaid glitter and I painted it onto my roots with my fingers. This worked well, but there was some fallout while doing this, so I might add more gel just to this one because of the large pieces. Or I guess I could prep my hair with a sticky hairspray and then seal it again with more hairspray after applying the glitter. Then I tried the gold glitter using the same method and also the champagne gold as well. The gold ones stuck much better with much less fallout with the fine glitter. The last way I wanted to try it was to spread it through my ponytail as a light coating. I used the silver glitter for this because it had the smallest pieces, but oh my goodness. I rubbed it in with my hands and it definitely worked, but it made a huge mess. If you want to use the glitter this way, I would mix it with another glob of hair gel in your hands before putting it in your hair, and maybe just repeat the process to make it more sparkly if you want. I also recommend sealing the whole thing with hairspray. I haven't tried this gel on wet hair yet, but I think it would help if you wanted the glitter evenly spread through your hair. This particular gel takes a little while to dry, but it is meant for curls, so it doesn't get hard or clumpy. But that makes it a little less sticky. So the final result was extremely pretty and extremely messy. This is what it looks like under my bright filming lights. Now, dimly lit rooms with light shining directly onto the sparkles will give you the most twinkling, but the outdoor natural lighting shows the color and designs better. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and be sure to let me know if you have any questions, and check out our lovely sponsor, EnoPro. Thank you again, EnoPro. Bye.